Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, my peace love. How you guys doing? In today's video I'm going to show you guys all my favorite lipstick. This is the tray I use on a regular basis and it's always kept in my vanity. And these are the lipstick. Mostly you will see bullet lipstick. There are 24 shades right here which I will swatch for you guys in my arms, and I'm going to explain to you guys each shade, formula, pricing, etc., so that you can choose from whatever you like and pick and choose. I'm sure you will love some of these shades. These are all my favorite, top favorite, you can say, 24 lipsticks and lipstick formulas, because mostly I do not love formulas that are drying. So mostly you'll see lots of bullet lipsticks and two glosses and a few moussey formula and a few velvety mattes and a liquid lipstick. So yeah, let's go. I hope you will like it and I hope this will be helpful. So let's take this tray outside and I'm going to swatch them on some natural light. Okay, so the first one we have is from Plum. This is their bullet lipstick in the shade Upside Brown, and this is a very affordable yet beautiful formula. It has got a very powder matte finish if you can see the bullet, but the shade Upside Brown is an beautiful mid tone warm brown with a little bit of coolness going on, but it's so beautiful. It's just right for medium to dusky to darker skin people, and if you're fair it's going to be very dark brown on you. So the next one I have is a liquid mousse lipstick from Earth Rhythm. This is in the shade Eroso 04. Now this formula is very unique. I usually don't like liquid lipstick, but this is so lightweight. It has got moussey texture. It takes a little time to dry, as I'll go forward you'll see, but on the lips it's very comfortable, very moussey. And this shade Eroso, it's a beautiful nude brownie color, again will not wash you out, and it looks good on dusky deeper skin tone as well. The next one is also from the same line, and this is in the shade Son Moi. Now this is not a brown, this is more like a pinky mauvey shade, but again same formula, takes a little time to dry, but once dried it is non-transferable and it's very comfortable, moussey, and this color Son Moi is beautiful pinky mauvey shade. Next, moving on to a more expensive brand. This is from Rare Beauty. This is the bullet lipstick, and you just push it like that and it comes out. This is in the shade Fun, and it's a very peachy undertone wala nude color. It has a little bit of brown but a lot of peach. Very comfortable, like a comfy matte. It does transfer a tad bit, but it's very extremely comfortable and beautiful shade. After Rare Beauty, we have our very own K Beauty. This is in the shade Panache. It's a very famous shade. This is a glossy sort of satin glossy lipstick. It's not a matte lipstick, but look at that. Look at the bullet. It's so beautifully engraved. And this shade Panache will suit again from fair to medium to dusky to darker skin tone, because this is again a beautiful warm brown, like a warm brick brown, and the comfort level and high shine is obviously there. Next is from Kylie Cosmetics. This is again expensive, 2000 rupees, and this is in the shade I'm Here For It. And look at the packaging, such a beautiful baby pink packaging, and the color, again this formula is powder matte finish. You can see how frosty it is and the Kylie emblem, and this shade is such a beautiful pink. Oops, it just broke, but yeah, you can see the color. It's a beautiful pinky mauvey nudie shade that was on natural light, which was a little golden. This is in my studio light, which is white, and you can see the mauviness more going through in the white studio light. Now let's go through my second row in the studio light, because the light outside is fluctuating. And after that Kylie Cosmetics Heartbreak, I will still obviously use the lipstick, but yeah, it just broke. This is from Lakme. Okay, this is the newer launch. This is the bullet lipstick called Blush Peony, and again look at that beautiful powder matte finish and the beautiful lipstick emblem. Even Indian brands are coming out with such beautiful lipsticks, oh my god, especially bullet lipstick. This is a very nice blush peony type of a pink lilac-y. This will suit fair to medium skin tone. If you're dusky dark, it will wash you out, so you have to use a lip liner. But this color is, I'm dying for this color. I love it and I use it so much. Next two lipsticks are from Prosh. Now this is one of my favorite bullet lipstick formulas, very affordable, around 500-600 rupees. The first shade is called High Tea, and this is again powder bullet matte lipstick, so pigmented, one swipe pigmentation. This color High Tea is so unique. It's that trendy cool tone brown. I have a lot of warm tone browns, but this cool tone brown is so good. It's like a coffee color but very leaning, very stylish, cool tone, Kylie Jenner type of lipstick. So yeah, if you're looking for something like that, definitely try out High Tea from Prosh Beauty. This formula is to die for. It's pigmented, one swipe, very comfortable. Nowadays I'm only living for comfort. Matlab dry lips people will relate. Now this shade is again a warm tone coffee shade. This is called Coffee Date. This is a warm tone, a little brick tone, maroonish type of a brown, but look at that color. Can you see that one swipe pigmentation and the powder matte finish and velvety texture? I love Prosh Beauty, highly recommend. This is the shade Coffee Date. If you're not a cool tone high tea type of person, go for that. Next is another K Beauty lipstick. This is in the shade Cameo. This is the matte bullet lipstick, and this had come out like earlier, and it is a little bit creamy. It has got a little bit of that satin matte finish, but again very comfortable, will not dry out your lips. But look at that shade. It is a little bit purplish but on the deeper side. So if the first shade from Lakme, that peony one, will wash you out, but this won't. Next, I have another high-end lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. Look at that packaging, looks only expensive and high quality. This is the shade Mrs. Kisses, and a lot of people rave about Pillow Talk medium, yeah, Pillow Talk, that shade. But I went for this one because Pillow Talk is again a brown lipstick, but this one is little bit more brighter. It has got a little bit of oranginess going on. It has got a little bit of coral type of a shade, so it's a hint of color. I have a lot of browns and cool tone brown, warm tone brown, and this is also nude but with little bit of fun color. The next lipstick is from Forever 52. This is a recent discovery of mine. I haven't seen a lot of people talking about it, but I just saw it on Nike and I picked it up because of the color. This is in the shade Maple. Again, powder bullet lipstick. Look at that emblem, like it has got lines, and again beautiful one swipe pigmentation, but this shade is like a deep purplish nude. It has got hints of purple, hints of pink, and hints of brown. So this will suit again dusky to deeper skin people who wants to lean towards that cool tone pinky purple family, and you're bored of browns, go for this shade. Beautiful formula, not very expensive. Forever 52 is beautiful. Next is the Sinful lipstick from Color Bar. They are beautiful. They have this magnetic closure. This is in the shade Role Play. Again, powder matte finish. Look at the bullet. It has got lips emblemed on it. So pretty. This costs about 1200, but you can get it on discount. I got it for like 700 from Nykaa. And this color is again a cool tone pink, beautiful color. It is little deeper than the Lakme one but lighter than the Forever 52 one. And yeah, you can see same cool tone pinky family, but you know, 19-20 ka farak here and there. But these are the colors, guys, that I love wearing. Cool tone pinks and warm nudes. Again, nude only. I don't like any bright pink. Next, I have a lip gloss. I don't wear a lot of glosses, but this one just stole my heart. This is from Maybelline. This is the Lifter Gloss in the shade Petal, and this is like a metallic pinky shade, high gloss finish, and that's it has got that fat chunky one. I love the packaging, not very expensive. Maybelline is beautiful. Whenever you have sale, pick it up if you're a gloss person, because I, not being a gloss person, loves this. It just makes my lip look so cute. This is again a cool tone pink but in a gloss formula, very pretty, not too bright, but this will again suit dusky skin people. So that was the second row, all bullet matte lipstick and one gloss. Now moving on to the last row, this is another one from Maybelline. This is a affordable one, 400. I think this is for 300. You can get for cheaper. Very long stick, and formula is beautiful. This shade is called Over the Taupe, and this is the exact dupe for MAC Taupe. So if you are somebody who loves the lipstick MAC taupe and you find it expensive, this is a very good cheap alternative dupe. Very good formula. This is even more matte and it stays for a long time. It becomes transfer proof after a while, so I feel like it's better than MAC's taupe. And it's a beautiful that mid-tone taupey color. It will suit a lot of dusky deeper skin people. So if you're looking for a good brown nudie type of lipstick, looking for a dupe, go for this one. Next, we have a even affordable lipstick from Swiss Beauty. This is in the shade Peach Day. इसका और एक shade अभी नहीं है मेरे पास, पहले हुआ करता. It's my favorite. It's called Brandy Harrington from the same range. But again, this formula is to die for. So pigmented, so beautiful. Transfers a tad bit, but look at that shade. It has, it's not very peachy. It's more like a reddish, maroonish color with peach undertone. Maybe that's why they called it Peach Day. But nevertheless, it will suit again deeper dusky skin people, and very pigmented, very beautiful. Check out this entire range from Swiss Beauty. They have duped the Huda Beauty ka, packaging and everything, but in like quarter of the price. Next, I have this Huda Beauty. Of course, it's a very favorite formula of mine. This is where the bullet lipstick love had started back in the day. This is in the shade First Kiss. Look at that uniqueness, which is why I love Huda Beauty. I don't have a shade like this. Very nice cool tone brown with hint of purple. Can you see the purpleness coming through? Very trendy, good for office wear, good for like serious purposes, and this will again suit from across skin tones. Next is a very unique lipstick from Rom, and it's a Korean brand. It looks like a liquid lipstick, but it's more like a moussey texture. It's not liquid. Can you see? It's like a fluffy, moussey, velvety texture, extremely comfortable. And when you wear this on your lips, it just looks so beautiful, comfy, velvety, soft, powder matte finish. It blurs your lips. It's that kind of a Korean formula, and this is in the shade Burnt Heart, and it's a beautiful cool tone, deeper purpley pink. Next, I have same moussey texture from Inside Cosmetics, very affordable. This is in the shade Bali. This is, you can say, like a dupe for the Romand one. Same moussey, powder matte finish, velvety texture. But look at that color. This color is to die for. It looks so good on deeper dusky skin tones. I wore this entire month of January and December because it's such a winter color. Looks beautiful with a white top, like a white high neck top. Now this is my favorite lipstick from the bunch. This is from Fenty Beauty. It's a liquid lipstick, but again that moussey formula. This is in the shade Truth Fairy, a beautiful brown shade. And this lipstick, I'm not kidding you, blurs out your wrinkles. It's so comfortable, moussey texture. It is on the expensive side, but it's a beautiful lipstick, okay? And the shade is so beautiful. I just love it, and yeah, it will suit all skin types, mostly fair to medium to dusky skin tones. Next, I have again a Fenty lipstick. This is more like a lippy stick, where it's actually supposed to be like a gloss, but it's in a lipstick, bullet lipstick form, okay? But look at the packaging, so luxe. It's beautiful. It's a very glossy finish with lots of pigment, and the shade Fenty Glow, it's like a nude brown shade. And this you can apply on top of other brown lipsticks if you want to like gloss it up, okay? It's so glossy and beautiful. It just is perfect for the gloss lovers, and your lips will look so cute. You can just wear a brown lip liner and top it up with this shade. You cannot go wrong with nude colors like this. However, if you're very dark skin, then this will wash you out. For in that case, you can try out other shades from this formula. Last but not the least, I have this unique lipsticks from Tipsy Beauty. It has got two sides. This is in the shade Sip Happens, and one side is the lipstick, of course, and the other side is a gel formula where you can use it to top it up as a gloss, or you can use it as a lipstick remover. So that is the shade Sip Happens. Now this, you will notice, is the only liquid lipstick, traditional liquid lipstick in my collection. Like on the regular basis may I wear this because it's such a beautiful formula. It is so non-drying, smooth, like ऐसा लगेगा कि आपने कुछ पहना ही नहीं है lips पे, and it's very comfortable. It's a very nice I wouldn't say moussey, but it's a beautiful formula. Just try it out, and this shade is so gorgeous. It's a beautiful peachy undertone wala nude, and you can make it like glossy by applying the other side, and it's just a beautiful lipstick. So that is it. That is all the lipstick I am using on the regular basis. It's one of my favorite top 24 lipsticks. It's mostly bullet lipsticks and beautiful formulas and pigmentation, mostly nudes, pinky nudes, warm nudes, because that's what I love. If you guys like this video, definitely hit the like button and let me know, okay, if it was helpful, what kind of video you guys want to see next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.